Hi guys, this is Miss Parker, and it took me a while to realize that if I clicked on this tab, my primary emails would show up, but then if I would move over here to the social, um, it would actually change the email down here, and then if I moved over here to the promotions, looks like I have actually 16 new ones there, and then if I move over here to the updates, it shows that I have different ones. Well, that is where I found the Epic Books for Kids invitation that I sent to myself. So if you will search your emails, hopefully you'll be able to find the invitation. And when you pull it up, it just says Miss Parker is giving you free digital library during school closures. And then go down to slide down in the email and then go right here to where it says connect to our classroom. Click that, and it should say you are connected, because I didn't do anything different for yours than I did for my own invitation. Click on the login, and so I'm logging myself in as a student right now because I put myself on my roster just like another student. And then it actually just allows you to explore by grade level. If you're reading at the first grade level, you can go there, and as you get better with reading, or if your parents want to read you some harder books, you can go down to second and third grade, fourth grade level books, and you have this access for a while because it's been given to us for free through Epic, and it's such a blessing, and it has tons of different books. You can have some books read to you, you can watch videos, you can listen to audiobooks, which I don't think show the pictures through, but sometimes if you're reading a book, it'll actually read the book, and you can look at the pictures as you read. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions. They recommend books. Yeah, these types of the books are the ones, when it says read to me, it'll actually show you the pictures and actually read it out loud to you, and you can read along with it. Like this one says, if I had a little boat. So I click on it, and it says that the age range is from 3 to 6, so it's for pretty young children. And I can actually start the book by clicking this little green circle.
If I had a little boat, I would sail it out to sea, send it riding on the waves.
And so you can pause it and such. So going on to Epic and reading every day for 20 minutes, it's going to really benefit. And some students get on here and stay 2 hours a day. So I think we've read over, I know we've read over 1,000 books as a class. So I want y'all to keep reading, and happy reading.